Okay, so here is the syllabus. Before in last session we have discussed the module one. Like I have discussed what is hacking, how it all work, ethical hacking, black hat hacking, white hat hacking, everything. I have discussed. If you have missed the previous session, you can go on YouTube and watch this video. This video you can watch, kickstart your cybersecurity journey. This video you can watch too. This is the previous class recording. So today we are on like what is brute force attack and how to configure brute force attack tools and how to start with that. So today we will be first I will be discussing like what is brute force attack. Then we will be learning like how to configure brute force attack. Brute force attack is very conventional attack and it's an old method. But right now still it's working. If there is a plenty of a password and yeah, most of time it works. In this method you are creating hundreds of a password and you are trying to get into the system. That's why it's important also to learn brute force attack right now, and this attack works very well right now. So right now also it's working. Like if you want to crack into Linux file, if you Linux machine, if you want to get into any type of file like pdf .pdf .xml file, then this method is very much known and very much useful right now. So most of time we have to get into win files, rar file for all the file cracking systems. This method is very good. So today we will be learning what is brute force attack and how to create custom word list for that and how to implement that, tools to implement that. So today you will be learning all these basics of a brute force attack, and after that I will be providing you my own recording just after. Uh, Yes, yes. In freelancing, also you have to go through the brute force attack. That's why I have invited you today. Like you all have to learn password attack. Password attack is common for everyone. That's why you all are here. So first of all, let me. I will be going with brute force attack. So anyone knows what is brute force attack? Anyone have any idea regarding this? Okay, please explain. If you know anything regarding brute force attack, please try to explain a little bit of this.
It tries the word list which attacks on login and password for user account.
Yes, yes. Anyone else who want to tell something regarding brute force attack? Okay, so brute force attack is one of the oldest method and most basic technique which is used in. It can no right now it's not being, yes, it can bypass OTP, but at not that much extent. For OTP bypass, you need to learn further attacks. Like for OTP bypass, most of time we use SS7 attack, which is signaling system 7. I think this is into the course. Like, let me check the syllabus. I don't think I have added SS7 attack in this batch, but yeah, if there is availability of SS7 attack, I will be starting with that. So no problem. Signaling system 7 you need to do for OTP bypass, but a method, yes, yes. So basically brute force attack is like trying to open a lock by trying every single key until any of you anyone key works well. So it's like you are having a bunch of keys and you are trying to open any lock and you don't know the exact key. So at that place you are just using particular keys multiple time, like every single key you are trying, and then you are once you get into the lock, you will be opening the lock. So that's how it works. You are just trying multiple attempt. This is just a systematically guessing of a password. Even you can guess encryption key and other credentials also. So brute force attack is very vast attack, and it takes a lot of time. Like if you have made a word list of 1 lakh password, then it will be taking much time, and it also require a lot of time and patience for this. So that's why the brute force attack is little time taking also. Let me stop the chat, otherwise it's just diverting my mind. Okay, so this is all about the brute force attack, and after we have few types of brute force attack also. like uh, 1 second, let me go in. Anyone who knows like what is type of brute force attack? Anyone have any ideas regarding the types of brute force attack?
Salting, not a salt. No.
Okay, okay. So first there is a simple brute force attack. Then we have a dictionary based brute force attack. Dictionary based brute force attack. 1 second. And after that we are having hybrid attacks, and then we are having credential stuffing, like if you are having any leaked username and password combination, you can from previous data breaches, you can also go with that. That comes under credential. Okay, so these are a few methods to do brute force attack, and today we will be learning each of them. Like first, we will be going through simple brute force attack. In simple brute force attack, this means it's a method in which we are blindly trying each and every password. Like we are not giving any parameter like skip this password or only use this password. So if you are using this type of word list, that comes under the simple brute force attack. One second. And after that, we are having a dictionary-based attack, which is used to uses pre-made list of a common password. Like when you are defining any dictionary, it is having a pre-made password list like 1 2 3 4 5 6. And even if you go for any password leaked database, there is a lot of a leaked password, very common password list. One second, let me go to GitHub password list. So it may be giving me result like 10 million most common password list. So you can take a look at all of them, and you can make a word list from here also, like a 10 million password like top 10,000 .txt file you can download from here, and you can also utilize them while doing some specific attacks. So that's how you get into password files. And and you have anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions regarding brute force attack?
No, sir, continue it.
Okay. So after that, like there are few challenges also while doing brute force attack. Like first of all, there is a very if the password is more complex, like there are multiple type of password, and if the password is not, I'm coming back to that, like what are the types of password. But if the password is a little complicated, the user is using a lot of hashtags and all that data stuffs, then going through a brute force attack is not possible. Like it will take a lot of time, and the time more complex password it will be taking more times. Like if there is only a password of a four lower letters or a lowercase letter, it is combination of 26 to the power of 4. So it makes around 4 lakhs plus password list. And if there is a character of a 10 plus letter, then there can be billions of a combination. So that's why brute force attack is little time taking, and you also required a lot of robust machine and resources you need. Like you need a lot of resources to execute the brute force attack at a single time. So this is the main challenge. Like it will take a lot of time. It will take a lot of time. And the other challenge is like there can be detection. Like most of the website used to have a parameter, like if any user is typing any password for a multiple time, like model systems are every are backed with too many failed attempts, they will be locking your account. Like if you do 5 to 6 attempt on even if any of your social media account or any password, they used to lock your account. So this is the main problem here. Like the companies or the system administrator used to lock your device or lock your account if you are trying to put wrong password multiple time. And when it comes to brute force attack, you are trying for a billions of times. So this is the main issues right now. Like it will be detecting, it can be detected, and there is a lot of a time taken to execute. Like once again, it can be. So these are the two issues with brute force attack. But there are a lot of methods to overcome with all these stuffs. And you can, if you make a perfect word list, you can also overcome with all of this. Like sometimes social engineering plays a vital role while you are doing any password attack. So this is required. But after that, let's move to my Kali machine, and I will be showing you like how to create word list and how to go get into that. So I have also started my Metasploitable 2 machine. So one second, let me log in. Okay, so I have started my Kali machine, and today first we will be starting our crunch. Like for brute force attack, first you have to generate a word list. Like if you are having a word list, then you are cool with a brute force attack. Like on a GitHub, I have shown you like there is a lot of word lists available here. You can use all of them. Like you can try some of them and you can go with that. But today I will be teaching you like how to configure brute force attack. And for the demonstration, I will be sharing you my recording video that is being deleted by your YouTube. So today I'm not demonstrating everything in this video. Today I will be just discussing each and everything, and after that you will be getting a another video to execute all of them, like and even all the command that is being required to execute all this thing, you will be getting below that video, so don't worry. And let me start my terminal first. I am using, I have configured my Terminator. You can also use Terminator and Terminal. Both are similar and both are useful. So I am starting with my Kali Linux and started my Terminator. So first of all, we will be generating a custom word list with a Crunch. So basically, Crunch is a very powerful tool which is used to generate lot of customized word list for password cracking and hash cracking, anything. You can go with that, and even you can create a word list with a specific pattern, a specific length, and even you can set the characters, and all these facilities make it a very versatile tool. So let's go with that. So first, like create a simple word list. To create a simple word list, you simply put crunch. One second, my spelling mistake are common. Like I'm going to create a four character word list. So four character, and the character will be ABC123, and I'm just generating a word list. So it will be a combination of a 1296 word, and my word list is being created. So that's how the you create word list using Crunch. You don't have to. One second, let me move back. So you just have to give parameter, like a Crunch is a tool to create the a Crunch is a tool by which you use to. One second, let me clear the terminal, and I will be moving back. One second, let me back to previous command. Okay, so Crunch is a tool to create your word list. Like if you don't want to use anyone else's word list, and if you want to create your own modified word list according to your victim, like whatever target you are having, you will try to make your own word list according to that. So basically, Crunch is a tool to create, and for I have given a parameter here which is generating a password which is exactly combination of a four character only, and ABC and 123 I am using here to denote the character. Like I don't have to take any other character, like the word list must be using ABC, DEF, DEF. I am ignoring all the alphabetical and numerical number. I'm just using these three alphabets and these three numbers only. So that's how it used to create it will be generating my word list. So this is the simple generation of a word list, and after that you can create a word list of any specific file. Like if you want to generate a word list of a five parameter, five digits, then simply put five, and I'm just giving a combination of 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5, and if you want to take output of that file in any txt format, you can simply give o parameter for output, and just give the file name. Like I am giving ras.txt I want to create. So one second, raj.txt. So when you press enter, it will be starting, and it will make a txt file of this. It is not showing me a password list in my terminal. It has created a txt file. If I want to check that, cat raj.txt. Cat is a command to look into the txt file, and that's where I will be getting any my password leaks. So if you want to automate your attack, you can simply inject that password list in any tool, and you can start with that. So that's how you create your word list. So anyone have any questions? Anyone have any question regarding how to create, and or everyone have learned like how to create any word list using Crunch? Anyone have any questions? Now you all can
So
send the message.
actually, Crunch is a tool or any.
Crunch is a tool which is pre-installed in Kali Linux. Like you don't have to install. Crunch is already installed in Kali Linux, and it's a tool to create your word list. Like you can define. Like I will be defining some other parameters also, but this is the basic parameter that I have. First, I have created a four digit password by using 4 4, and then I have created 5 digit word list using Wi-Fi character. So that's how we are just creating. Like I am moving back to some other cases also. Anyone have any questions? More questions? How do we know the exact length of the password, sir? can be add specific characters. Knowing, yes, yes, we can add. I'm coming back to this, like how to add a specific character. I'm coming back to this. And exact length of a password, getting into the exact length of a password is really tough. Like you have to think like hacker at that time. Like if you go to any system and it allows eight characters of a password, like most of time the victim may be having eight digit of a password at that time. And if you are targeting any other system which allows to have a password list of 10 to 15 digit, you can make a word list from 10 to 15 digit, and you can modify. Like you have to study regarding all of this. Like you have to learn some of social engineering also to know about the length of the password and what how your victim thinks. So it depends on all these factors. Like just simply it's not a simple like you simply go to any tool and you have created a word list file and you have started attacking, and you got the password and boom. So it's not that much simple. We are making it simple by using few tools, but at the end you also have to put some of your mind also. So let me move back to my Kali machine. Anyone have any questions? Okay, so after like if we want to add any special character, like most of a password file may have some special character also. So if you want to make that, simply put crunch and see one second. If you want to have any special character, simply crunch. Okay, so simply put crunch, and then I'm just creating a 4 digit password file. So 44, and then ABC123, and I am putting some special characters also, like at the rate hashtag and dollar. I am putting all these things. And if you want to make a wordless file of the characters including character, you can simply press enter, and it will be giving me a list of a password. Like it has given me the list of a password using hashtag and all of them, and everything will be included in this. So you can simply make this in a wordless file also. Let me move back. Okay, so if you want to make a word list file also, simply put and then you just need to give a name to the txt file. Again, I am giving ras1.txt txt. So now it will be created in a word list file. Like it will created in a txt format in a txt file. So now it has created. I don't think ras1.txt. Oh, okay, okay. I'm not giving the parameter here. Hyphen o I have to give here. Okay, so now it will be creating a text file here. So there was a little mistake. So if I go to check the file ras1.txt, ras1.txt, this is showing me the details inside the file. So even if I move back to my desktop, one second, let me move back. Let me go, and there I have created raj1.txt. So this is the txt file I have created. So now it is showing me all the password that I have created. So that's how you used to create a password list. Even you can define some parameters here also. Like you can give a specific name, a character, like just to make a combination of this name and all these stuffs. You can inject that. I'm coming back to that also, like how to create a word list for any specific or victim or any a specific machine. So I'm coming back to that. So let me clear this terminal. So I hope making a word list of any special character is clear. Everyone done with the creating password file of any specific character? Yes, yes. So after you can also execute some of a specific character. Like if you want to execute exclude some a specific character, you can also do that. Like let me create some more combinations. Like making a more combination is very much important. Like let me start my crunch. Again, I'm putting wrong spelling. See, what the hell? Okay, okay, okay. This time, crunch. And if you want to make a combination of a lower cases and upper lower cases and number, like lower cases and upper cases, or if you want to create, like I am creating a 4 digit password, and if I want to give lower cases, upper cases, and lower cases, like I am giving lower case, I am giving upper case also, and I am giving a digit also. And let me increase the size. Let make it a 5 digit password. I think it will be a very large file. So okay, so let's start. it's a password of it will make a combination of this much, and my password file is ready. Like it will be a combination of the digit, the capital letter, the uppercase, the lowercase, and the digit format also. So this is the combination of this password. So you can also try to create passwords like this. Even you can define the length of the password file. Like it may be having a large file, and it may be one second, the previous file I have created. Let me check the properties of that file. So when I go to the property, this file is of 32 kb, but if you want to make a less kb file, like if you are injecting a file of a very large size, it can be reduce the speed of the password attack. So if you want to create a password of a less size, you can also define that by giving some parameters. Like if I move back to my Kali machine, first clear this, and if I want to give let's take a password file of a 10 kb only. So just crunch, and I'm creating a 5 digit password only, and I will be giving a parameter of a b c 1 2 3, and then I will be giving -o parameter for output, and let once again just specify me a start also, uh, start, and then I will be giving the byte, like I want a 10 kb file. Okay, so it will be generating a file of a 10 kb only. So it has generated a file of a 10 kb only. Similar to the previous one, you can go and check, like the file is of a 10 kb now, and you can go with that, and you can automate your attack by using a 10 kb file or any specific size. Like if you are having a right now I am just having a 7776 combinations only. Like if you are having a 1 million combination, at that time what you will be doing, you will be separating the file in a multiple time. Like if the file is of 100 MB, you will be dividing all those file between 10 MB different file, and then you will be automating your attack multiple times. So that's how it all work. And this is being used by, if anyone is trying to check its server capacity, like how much password attack it can handle for load balancing. All these attacks are being taken places, and all these things are being used. So this, I think this is enough. Like hope everyone understand like how to create all these stuffs. Anyone have any doubts? I hope everyone can create password files right now. Anyone have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So this how you used to create, and it's not that much hard to create password files, and even injecting any password file and attacking on any system is damn easy.
But
I will be
normally, I am doing like downloading from GitHub,
yes.
like uh, 1 million and 10 million like password files.
Yes. So simply you have to, whenever you are attacking, like I will be coming back to
Sir,
Metasploit and taking that. Like if you want to um, if you want to attack with any downloaded file, like if you have downloaded this file from GitHub, just simply download that on a Linux and give the path of this file while doing the attack. That's how you will be doing. Like you don't have to take think that much about that. You just simply have to give the path of that. Okay, so if you want to, like let's move to Hydra. Like what is the need of all this? Like if you have created a password file, like how, what next anyone can explain, like what next we have to do after creating the password file. Yes, please, there is a lot of background sound from your side. Please close your mic. You are having a you are sitting in some music system. Okay, so after creating password file, we are having few tools also. Like we are having Hydra, we are having Rainbow Table, we are having John the Reaper. So these tools we will be using to utilize.
sir,
Yes.
I have heard about rainbow table but never used.
Okay, no problem. Today learn how to use that. No problem. So these there are few tools like Hydra, Rainbow Table, and John the Ripper. Like these are very essential tool and a technique which is used in a password cracking during the penetration testing. And I hope all of you will be using in the right way only. Don't try to hammer any server, anyone's server without any use. Like don't try to hammer anything. don't try to attack randomly. Just be legal as much as possible for all of you. So basically, we are having a few tools like Hydra, Rainbow Table, and John the Ripper. So in all of them, I think John the Ripper is the most powerful, and Hydra stand in between them. And Hydra is also a very powerful, fast, and very flexible tool, and it is used to attack on online servers. Like if you are having a any offline file, like if you are having any win file, if you are having a PDF file, and if you want to get into that, then you will be using John the Ripper. But you if you want to crack any online passwords, then you will be using Hydra at that time. Like if you want to get into the credential of any online systems like SSH, FTP, STTP, SMTP, if you want to get into this type of services, you can simply attack using Hydra. And if you are having some downloaded file on your own system, like if you are having any password protected PDF with you on your own system, you can use John the Ripper at that time. So this is the very basic difference between John the Ripper and Hydra. One is used for online attack, and another is used for offline attack. So and Hydra also support multiple protocols, like it can be used for SSH, it can be used for RDP, MySQL, HTTP. On every protocol you can use them. And for this purpose, I may have told you to watch the networking video. So this is the very basic steps. Like it can be used to attack on any protocol, and it is also very much fast, and it allows to test multiple credential at a single time. Like you can inject around 5 to 6 word list at a single time, and you can start attacking with that, and all you can do simultaneously. So this creates a very vast attack with them. So and after that you can use any word list which you have created using Crunch, and even word list you have downloaded from a GitHub, and even any word list that you have made, and even the by default word list, that is rocku.txt, that comes pre-installed in a Kali machine, you can also use that by using Hydra. So this is all about the Hydra, and I think everyone can use Hydra on their own. I will be putting the commands of how to use Hydra just after the class. So, because I want to maintain some legality, today I will be not breaking any rule. Like last time I have attacked a lot of servers, and so today I'm not attacking on any server. Today I will be attacking my own metasploitable 2 machine, which I have configured. You can also configure this metasploitable 2 machine to become as much as legal for you, because attacks are very much similar. And one second. Okay, so let me check the IF config here. Let me check the IP address. So my IP here is 192.168.128.134. So I have configured my Metasploitable 2 machine to attack with that, and I'm back on my Kali machine. So after Hydra, we are having a rainbow table, and rainbow table is also a rainbow table is a basically database of all the hashes and possible plain text password. So if there is a no salting in the password, you can attack with that. And even it is used to attack on few hashes also, like when the password are stored, and they are often using few algorithms also, like there can be MD5 algorithm, SHA1 algorithm, SHA256 algorithm. So if the password is being protected by all these algorithms, that can be also used to crack them. Like whenever you are typing any password, the backend at the
Sir,
backend of the machine, the password is being translated and being stored in any hash format. Like if you are using any most recent version of the machine, the password may be stored using SHA256. So this is the latest version of the password storage, and if the password is being stored in that version, you can use rainbow table and John the Reaper to get into all this type of a hash password. Okay, Pius, what is your question?
sir, like Hydra tool comes in Linux
Yes,
pre-installed.
yes, yes. Hydra comes pre-installed in
So
Kali Linux. Let
how
me
can
show you. One second.
then
Once you
how
press
can we use Rainbow table?
Rainbow Table also comes pre-installed. One second, Hydra. So this is the basic interface of Hydra. Like Hydra is being created by Van Hussein, TSC. Please don't use in any military or secret services organization, and it's a very illegal to use this tool. So that's all about Hydra, and there are a lot of parameter like hyphen n you can define for login name, hyphen p you can define for a password file, and you can give the password file. From there, hyphen c you can give for a column separated login and password file. And then there is a hyphen h parameter also, which can help, which will be giving you the help menu. Like once you put hydra hyphen l hyphen h, it will give you, it will giving you the help menu. Once you are done with that, you can start. This is the basic syntax of using hydra. So simply you can define the password file, and then the services you want to attack, and then the target ip. So this is the very basic scenario. So let me clear. So that's how you start with hydra. And after hydra we are having john the ripper. So john the ripper also comes pre-installed. Let me check if I am having john the ripper. John hyphen H. Okay, so John the Ripper also comes pre-installed in Kali Linux. Right now, I'm having 1.9.0 version, and this is used to crack multiple types of a password. And this is a very robust tool to, even you can define the length of the password. You can define the character set of the password. You can define the file types. There can be some file there can be a win type of file, .pdf file, .xml file, any type of file. Even if you know about the um, encryption that the file is using, you can also define that encryption, and that's how you can go through the john the ripper. So it is a very versatile tool to get into the password cracking, and even if they are in a hash format. And unlike hydra, which is used for online brute force attack, john the ripper works in the offline mode. You don't need any internet connection to work with john the ripper. If you are working with hydra, you require a lot of a fast internet connection, because hydra is being used to crack into the online services. But if you are working with offline services, you can start with john the ripper. So basically john the ripper is used to crack into some basic files system that is being installed on any system. Like even you can use to crack any zip password file, zip password protected file also you can use to crack with john the ripper. So that's why john the ripper is being used. So any other question?
Sir, metasploitable without admin and login password, we can't find the IP, no?
No,
Using IP blocking
without login and password, how you can find the IP address of a metasploitable 2 machine?
and net discover and rust scan.
Okay, so Metasploitable 2 machine, first you have to install Metasploitable 2 machine, and then configure that. And installing Metasploitable 2 machine is not that much hard. It's quite easy to install Metasploitable 2. And after that, there is a simple password, msf admin and msf admin. Login and password is very simple. You can change that, but I have taken it as a default. So that's how you can log in. And even there are a lot of login. You can take a reversal options. You can take a reversal of your metasploitable 2 machine, and you can assess your metasploitable 2 machine using kali machine also. So this is a very damn vulnerable machine, metasploitable 2, and it is being used to demonstrate your hacking skills only. So this is not a very secure machine to attack with. It's a very buggy machine. Okay, so let's clear the terminal. Hope everyone understood what is John the Ripper. And after there are few basic difference between John the Ripper. Like Hydra is used for online attack. John the Ripper is used for offline based attack. And Hydra is very fast, and it is used to attack on any specific protocol. So let me give the example of protocol in nmap hyphen sv, and service and version I want to know. And let me check the IP of my metasploitable 2 machine. So I go 192.168.128.134. 192. One second. I'm coming back. 192.168.128.134. So this is my metasploitable 2 machine IP address, and I am just looking for the services and version that is running on my metasploitable 2 machine. So it's starting. It will take few seconds to scan my metasploitable 2 machine. Let's give it some time to scan. Okay, so it has given me the result. On metasploitable 2 machine, I have FTP server open. One second, I'm not going to rename it. Okay, so it is showing like I am having FTP server open and which is running this version. So that's all the services are open here. You can check like whatever services is that it is running, they all are in a open state, and the version of there are easily available here. So if I am having this version, like let's assume I am having this version, VSFTPT. Let's
Sir,
simply
HTTP is open.
yes, yes. If this protocol FTP server is using here BSFTPD 2.3.4, so when you simply copy this and go and look for some vulnerabilities if they are having. So BSFTPD backdoor command execution, you can you will be just simply redirecting to the Rapid7 website here. It is redirecting me. So it's a very exploit, and it provides you a backdoor access to any machine. Like if I exploit this protocol, like if I exploit my Metasploitable 2 FTP services, it will be giving me a backdoor access to my Metasploitable 2 machine, and from there I can run all the commands that I can run from here. So this is all about you can simply use Metasploit machine to execute all these stuffs. Like uh, I hope anyone is interested into going into this, and you can watch any recording of mine. I don't want to get into this right now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Go for it. Go for it.
Okay, okay, okay. So if you let's assume if you want to hack into your Metasploitable 2 machine using the BSFTP server, let's there are few commands they are already showing. Like first, you just need to open your Metasploitable 2 machine. One second, let me minimize this. I'm splitting my terminal, and I will be opening my MSF console here. It will also take some time to start with that. Okay, so search. One second, it's not started properly. Give it few second more. Okay, so search BSFTP. One second, what is the protocol name here? BSFTPD. CRCH BSFTPD. I'm putting wrong. Okay, so now it has given me the result. Like there is a excellent level of exploit available in that, which is VS. My screen visual, everyone, or should I exit one of this? Let me exit this.
No, sir. Visible, visible. Clear,
Okay,
crystal
okay,
clear,
okay,
sir.
okay, okay. So go with that. So it has indicated me one exploit which is BSFTPT. This one I can use that, which is available for the version we are looking here. So when you go, I was searching for this version 2.3.4, and it's a backdoor execution. So it's showing me like, so if you again come back to terminal, I'm just using this one. So it's very easy to use. You simply copy this, and when you put use, and I will be pasting the exploit name, and now the exploit is loaded. So you just need to go for the options, like what are the options available here. So it will be giving you the options, and here our host is the remote host, like your target. So I just need to set my target at my Metasploitable 2 machine. This machine I have to set it as a target. One second. This IP I want to hack into 192.168.128.134. So let me set our host first. One second, control plus set our host. Okay, set our host I need to do, and my target IP will be my Metasploitable 2 machine IP, which is 192.168 dot 128 dot 134. I think this is right. So my R host is being set here, and once you execute run command, it will be giving me the backdoor access. Like I have a backdoor access of my Metasploitable 2 machine, like it's indicating I have found a cell here. It has given me a cell. Once I when I do who am I, it's giving me who am I. uh, let's put ls. So this is indicating me all the file that is being listed on my Metasploitable 2 machine. So so that's how you take that access of any Linux machine, and if they are running any vulnerable version, like BSFTP 2.3.4 are very vulnerable machine. That's why it has taken me access this much easily. But once you start scanning, and you will be getting the idea. Like whenever you scan for any machine, in last session also I have get you all through the CVE list. Like I have gone through this website also, CVE. metiarcorporation.in .org. We have gone through this website. Like if you are looking for FTP, you can search services here, and from here, if you are looking for the recent FTP protocols and recent FTP exploits, these are the recent exploit. And if you find this version on running server wherever you are targeting, like if you are targeting any particular website, and or if you are in a bug hunting program, and if you find any particular version of the FTP that is being leaked here and that is vulnerable, and you easily find here, you can simply go on any even you can look for the exploit in exploit database also. Like you can go for the exploit DB also to look for all the exploits that are available for that particular version. Like if let's go for the FTP, it will be giving me all the state forward directory traversal is available here, so I can also execute all of them this from here also. Like if you find the similar version on the targeted system, you can simply take access using Metasploit or whatever machine you are using, so whatever tool you are using. So taking control is not that much hard right now, I think. So hope everyone understand. Like this was a quick demonstration to get into FTP server. So that's how you all do. Is not that much lengthy task. Once you start and practice for a few days, you will be able to do all this thing on your own and on a very quick basis. Like don't worry. I will be going with all of you. So like if you want to go for SSH logging, and you if you want to if you low like let me again move to my Kali machine. Let me minimize all of this, and 1 second, I'm exiting from my cell. uh, Exit, and I'm exiting back from Metasploit also. Okay, so I have executed, and again if I run nmap, a quick nmap scan on my okay, so again I am running my nmap scan on Metasploitable 2 machine to check for few other services, like few other vulnerable services. If I want to check for that, let this scan. Okay, so if I want to target SSH, like the second SSH runs on port 22. It is using TCP protocol, and this is having a OpenSSH 4.7 P1 Debian version. So if I again you can look into Firefox, and again you can simply search for the particular version, and if that is having any a specific exploit available, you can go with that. Like I also have remember, like there can be SSH login possible. So if you want to do that, simply you have to again start your MSF console, and simply search for the auxiliary which allows you to log into the SSH. Like if here it is running SSH, and I want to log into the SSH services, and I want to take access to the secure cell. So for that purposes, you are having some auxiliaries. Like when you search for SSH, let me search for SSH once again. So it is having lot of auxiliaries. You can load all of them. You can start scanning with all of them. I'm just going to use SSH logging auxiliary. So use auxiliary. It's a type of a scanner. So a scanner ssh ssh underscore log. Okay, so if I want to actually I have picked the wrong command here. Okay, so this is a logging. This will try to do a brute force attack on SSH server, and will give you the access to that server. So if you want to set the target, simply go through the options, like what are the options available here. So once you go to the options, there are a lot of options available. You can set the username and password file. Like you have to define you are doing any brute force attack on SSH protocol. So for that purposes, you have to give a user file and password file also. Like if you want to set user file, setting user file. So let me copy this, set user file, and I may have created some user file also for demonstration. So once I go to home, I have user.txt, where it is username.txt. When I go to its properties, I may be having a path here. Like its name is username.txt, and its path is this one, like slash home. So I will be copying from here, and I will be moving back on my uh, and I will be giving the name here, slash home slash Rupankar slash username 1.txt. 1.txt. Similar to this, if I want to set the password file, like I also have to set the password file to attack with. Like if you have made any password file using crunch, you can also give that here. So if I have to set the password file, I will be simply putting set and the password file, and let me check where is my password file. So once you have created any text file of password, that will be on a home, and I will be using which file I should use. One second. Is any password file available? I have to create. Okay. I got password one.txt. So once again, I have to go to the properties. Its path is home/Rupankar again. So I will be copying this. Moving back to terminal. So once you password file and then the uh, it's not already copied once figure the file, otherwise it will be starting the bootloop attack. So that's how you all go with the bootloop attack on ss7 ssh protocol. So hope everyone understood like how to set file and how to go with all this thing. Anyone have any questions like how to go with ssh attack?
Sir, why did it not worked?
Because I may have some misconfigurations here. Like I may have put it some wrong spelling. That's why it's not working. But it's mandatory to learn. Like you just whenever you just simply set all this parameter, it will be running on your machine. Once again, what is the method? I'm not going to troubleshoot here. Everyone can do it simply on his own. You will not facing any issues. And if you face any